talk about with skin aging, because I know your circadian, what are we going to call it? Like your feng shui or, your circadian rhythms, they start to become less effective as you get older. So talk a little bit
Yes.
about skin aging and what's really going on here.
So what happens is like every other function in the cell, it can become kind of compromised with aging, is that you don't get as much. It's almost like they call it an oscillation where you have like a peak effect and then it goes down. And so this sort of flattens out as you age. So different functions of the skin are compromised. So you have the ability to repair from damage because it turns out that these clock genes, they control literally damage repair. They will turn on the enzymes that will snip out the damage in the DNA, and they will also um, they so as you get older, these genes are do not have this they're basically have a limited expression. So instead of having like a large amount of peptides that are formed, it's a much smaller amount that happens. So this contributes to decreased collagen production, to inadequate repair of damage to the cells. And so it's actually a quite a significant contributor to skin aging is
Wow.
disruption in the circadian rhythm. And what's also really interesting, this is another way that we screw it up, is by all of our exposure to ultraviolet light, to the
Of
blue
course.
light that comes off of your
Right.
screens. That can screw up your circadian rhythm. It's not just eating, having a piece of pizza at midnight.
Which is
It's
why we shouldn't
also
scroll at night when we wake up.
why we shouldn't scroll. That's right. That's why you should.
Guilty. Guilty.
No,
It's
no,
so
no. When
wildly
you wake,
amusing in the middle of the night.
yeah, no, when you wake up at night, that's when you're supposed to be listening to your podcast. That's when you tune into your
I
podcast.
totally should be, but I'm
Ye-
scrolling.
Yeah,
It's
well,
so
you see, like
bad.
this is the thing. Like we were so elegantly designed, and then all of a sudden, like
Yeah,
modern life is
right.
completely ruined.
Well, exactly. It's again, it's broken up that the cycle that the way it was designed to work. So
Yeah,
you
because
took
I mean
all of
I think
this.
I think circadian rhythm is, I mean, this is so much about science that has just come to light. I mean, we're just starting to understand how perfectly designed we are. And so, so we were fine before we had electricity. We had a little firelight, we like went
We
to
were
bed when it
probably
got
better off, weren't we?
went to bed when it got dark,
Yeah.
got up when it got light. We exercised, we ate a lot of fruits and vegetables. Anyway, so then we have light, we have processed foods. But
Yeah.
I think
Now
that
you have blue
circadian
light and
rhythm,
screen time.
screen time. No, I think circadian rhythm is going to be one of the key factors that we're going to be really addressing and supporting as we move through, coming back in tune with
And
ourselves.
obviously it plays into skin longevity very significantly.
Yeah, I mean,
So
the
the immune
leukocytes,
system's hooked too,
the
I'm
immune
sure.
system is completely tied to circadian rhythm.
Yeah.
In fact, in rats, there's more leukocytes that are available during the day to fight infections. Interesting why it's during the day in rats, but in humans, they're more at night. Isn't that interesting? So, yeah, so that's why you probably like want to rest. You want to go to bed early if you don't feel well.